Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the basics and taking the first action now. Open the app you want on the left, swipe up to reveal the dock, then drag a second app to the right edge until it snaps into split view. Once done, adjust the divider to allocate space. Make sure to use the top app handle to swap or replace apps quickly. This initial setup gets you into multitasking without digging through menus, so you can move to layout control next. Now you'll shape how windows behave and why each method helps. To create slide over, drag an app from the dock to float over the current view. Swipe it off screen to hide quickly. Use App Exposé or a 3-finger swipe to see all windows and rearrange them, because visual layout makes workflow faster. If you need persistent side-by-side work, drag the slide over handle to the screen edge to convert it into split view. Practice these moves to build muscle memory. Finish by solidifying the workflow and knowing recovery steps. If you use Stage Manager or a keyboard, learn the specific shortcuts to restore window sizes. Otherwise, drag the divider all the way to close one app or open the app switcher to dismiss windows. If a window won't move or split view won't form, make sure multitasking is enabled, force quit the app, and reopen it. If that fails, restart the iPad. This one troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn layout issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.